How to find clipboard on Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and open up the clipboard so you can see a history of everything that's been copied on your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we just need to open up an app and select something so that the keyboard actually comes up and we can see the keyboard. Now, if above the number row right here, you don't have a menu that has different icons, maybe a gear, something like that for settings, we need to first enable that toolbar so that we can get into the clipboard. You could do that by selecting the little button to the left of the spacebar right here and just long pressing it and then going over and selecting the gear. Once the gear opens up, this will be the settings for our keyboard, and look for keyboard toolbar, turn that on. And now when I go back and I open up my keyboard, you can see that there's now a menu above the numbers. So once in here, what we're looking for is a little clipboard icon. If you see that, you can select that. If you don't, select the three dots to the right here. So if it was missing, you would just drag it up to the actual menu right there, and then there you go. So select that clipboard icon, and in here you'll see a history of everything that you copied. As you can see, if I select copy here, it shows up in my clipboard, and if I select anything, it'll paste it automatically. You could also remove anything from your clipboard by selecting the trash can, and then selecting it, or selecting all, and then deleting that, and that will delete your clipboard. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.